What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you how to trade breaker blocks, and I want to teach you how to master this so that you can master your entry game on any commodity that you want to be trading. So today, I want to show you and I want to explain what a breaker block is, and I want to show you how to do entries using it, and I want to explain the conditions of use of a breaker block. Then lastly, I want to explain the breaker block structure and take them to charts. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to show you again the backtesting results that I've done using this particular breaker block strategy, and I'm going to show you everything that I'm using for you to copy and use in your own trading. So without further ado, let's just explain what a breaker block is. So a breaker block in simple terms is a broken order block. So this is more like the trend is changing and we were having bullish order blocks that were being respected as price was going up, as you can see on this diagram, right? So these were order blocks that were being respected as price was going up. But you are going to see that we are going to be having this order block, this particular order block that gets taken out. So this is the last order block before price gets into a point of interest. So I'm saying this is a point of interest, as you can see. Why? Because this might be resistance, this might be supply, this might be anything that you use as a point of as a point of interest. This might be a moving average or anything like that. So this is the last order block, and remember we are doing this on the 15-minute time frame because we are saying this is an entry pattern, right? You should not be using this entry to get trades, right? This is an entry pattern, and as you can see here, when price breaks the order block here, it signifies a change of direction. Why is that important? It means that when price is going up, right, on the lower time frame, and it gets to this resistance, it means that price has changed directions, and this break is a confirmation that this resistance is working, right? So how do you use that to get positions or to get into trades, right? You wait for a break, as you can see here. So after a break, what are you waiting for? You have two options. Option number one is to get your trades at this breaker. Then option number two is to just use the breaker as a confirmation and get your trades from where? From the order block at the top here, or from the order block that you are going to be marking from the from the M15, as you can see here. So I will show you this on the charts, and as always, I'm using Forex Tester to test my strategies, and this is what you are going to be seeing. I can play back and I can do everything that I want and test the profitability of my strategy, get statistics, get real data of my strategy, and I can go to analytics after testing and get a real-time data and improvements that I need to do on my strategy. So I'm going to be starting from the H1 so that you can see where the resistance or the support is coming from. So this is the resistance that I've marked here, and this is resistance stand support, which means that this is a flip zone. So I'm going to be taking my trades from this particular zone here, and I'm going to link the video that talks about this particular setup in the at the end of the video, so that you guys can go and watch that particular video if you don't understand. But for now, we are doing breaker blocks, and as soon as price touches the blue zone here, which is my point of interest, I move back to the M15 here and start to observe how price is doing. And from what you can see here, you can clearly see that price has been coming back here to the blue zone. So we play back here. I want you to see how price was doing. So price was moving down, right? So these were the order blocks that price was actually presenting to the market. We have one, then we move again, we have another one, then we move again, you have another order block. So the last order block that led to price getting into the blue zone is this particular order block here. So what are we going to do? We are going to be waiting for price to break that particular order block, then retest down here, then we can get our trade. So that's how you trade a breaker block. So want to see what happens here, and price hasn't taken out this zone yet, so we are not going to get into a trade. We're going to be waiting for a break, right? That is not a break, all right? So we're going to be waiting again. Wait, yeah, now that's a break, and now we're going to be waiting for a retest. The retest, it's either we're going to retest this particular zone, but even if you use a retest of this breaker, you're going to put your stop loss just below, and you're going to what, to be waiting for price to what, to give you that. But here I'm waiting for this particular what, for this particular retest. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put my buy here, and remember, I can put a buy position here because I'm using Forex Tester, and I can see in real time how that trade would have worked, and after I can get the what, the statistics pertaining this trade. So I have put my stop loss position, and I have put my what, my take profit. Now let's see how this one goes. Right now I'm actually in profit, and this is how the trade is going on. So this is how I'm going to be looking at this, and let's just see how everything is going to work out. So this is my trade, and this is how price is actually going, and this is a take profit, clean take profit that you can see after using this particular strategy. So this is what I'm using, and this is a breaker block, and you can use it too. And remember, this software that I'm using here can show you the statistics of your strategy and can show you improvements that you can make. So I'm going to go to analytics here and see how this can go. So with only one trade here, we have all these insights into our strategy. Imagine when you do 100 trades, the insights that you're going to be having. So these are the behavioral traits that you're going to be seeing. Effective risk management, disciplined approach, effective strategy management. This is just one strategy, and it can show you the trading style, likely intraday, and it is intraday, right? And median trade duration 6 hours. So this is not that much. And points to improve. This is what I like about this Forex Tester. It tells me where I don't see, like it tells me the insights that I might not be seeing, right? Consider increasing lot size to reach 1% per trade. So it's actually helping you in what, in risk management and trading during news events, news reactions, position averaging. These are the strengths of this one, of this particular strategy that I'm seeing. And if you move down, you can see all these statistics that you can see for your own strategy, and you can see your activity calendar in a visual like this, and this can help you to improve your strategy. And you might be asking, how do you get this? The link in the description down below, right, can take you to this page so that you can pay for one-time use, right? You are not going to be to be doing those subscriptions like other backtesting tools. You are going to be to be paying once off, and you are going to be using forever. And there is a 30-day money guarantee if you don't like the software. So this is what I've been using, guys, and I can't lie to you, I am enjoying what I'm seeing. So this is how it goes, and this is how you can master a breaker block. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, it's bye bye.